What's the meaning of climatology? Climatology. Climatology.
Climatology. Climatology. Climatology is the scientific study of climate, including patterns and changes in temperature, precipitation, and other climatic variables. It involves analyzing historical data, developing models, and predicting future trends. Through climatology, scientists gain a better understanding of how the Earth's climate works and how it may be affected by human activities. The insights gained from this field can help inform decision-making in areas such as agriculture, energy, and infrastructure planning. Overall, climatology plays a crucial role in our understanding of the natural world and the impact of human societies on it.